Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you out there. Yeah, let me introduce you to Meister Factor Drain Spiral 50 meter of range. No plumber is needed anymore. We can save up to €300. Deep cleaning up to 50 meters are possible with an automatic feeder. Simply explained, because it's easy peasy. It's suited for every cordless drill if you need it. The spiral can be used for the areas which are you going to need that as an application, like the kitchen sink, the bathtub, the shower, and the sink itself. Generally for pipes with a diameter between 35 and 70 millimeter. This makes sure that the drain inlet is at least 1.3 centimeter in size. Otherwise, the spiral head does not fit through. If the drain inlet is not large enough, this siphon must be unscrewed, for example, in order to penetrate directly into the pipe. That's the best choice. The length of the spiral is 15 meters. The diameter spiral head is 1.2 centimeters. The diameter spiral is 0.6 centimeters. And it comes to us with 3.5 kilograms. And it's really easy. We insert the spiral first. We pull the spiral out of the drum by hand and insert it slowly and eventually into the drain until we need, and we are going to feel a resonance. Then we push further forward. Thanks to the automatic feed function, the spiral can be continuous and effortlessly, either manually with a hand crank, or even more conveniently with a standard cordless drill, which you can attach to the machine. And we release the constipation. The spiral works its way through the pipe bands to the blockage directly and dissolves even stubborn blockage quickly and reliable. After months of development, the latest model has received the top marks at the Independence Proof Angle Institute. Quality can rely on it. And it is a patented design. This model is legally protected as a registered design and it may only be sold under the brand name Meister Factor. So they guarantee us an exercise exclusive product, which we get in the firm only from an exercise not only for the hands and arms, it's motorized too, if you like it, by use a drill. Meister Factor is one of the leading suppliers of high-quality pipe cleaning spirals in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. The goal is to make the independent pipe cleaning as easy as possible for 1,000 through professional tools and easy-to-understand devices. Meister Factor 2018 was founded by Johannes, who himself was faced with the problem of a clogged drain during the studies and did not find a convenient, cost-effective solution for that. This experience was the impetus to develop a high-quality drain spiral together with a specialized manufacturer. Since then, they have constantly improved the range and created new models for a wide variety of requirements. And what started as a small project developed rapidly. After they launched on the German Amazon Marktplatz, they were soon able to expand into other European countries. Today, the products are not only available throughout Europe, but also in the United States of America. More than 45,000 satisfied customers already rely on Meister Factor to clean the drains quickly and efficiently themselves without an expensive craftsman cost. This all is possible by using such a device, a plumper snake, or a drain snake, or a drain auger. This is a slender, flexible auger used to dislodge cloth in plumbing. The plumper snake is often reserved for difficult clogs that cannot be loosened with a plunger. It also sometimes called the toilet jack. A plumber's snake is often used by plumbers to clear a clogged drain pipe or a sanitary sewer. And we have here a hand auger with a spinner. And hand auger are used for clearing sink and bathroom drains. They are unsuitable for standing through the flush toilets because the wire might damage the bowl. So we have to remove the toilet first and go directly into the pipe. That's possible. And of course, with that device here, it is the same threat. You should perform this in the kitchen or in the drains, no prop, or if you have a standard pipe there, but not the bigger ones. You can go through it directly, or you have to disassemble first the siphon, and then you go directly into it. Easy peasy with that drain spiral. You can make it by using the Meisterfaktor device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Thun thun!